And here's our crab cakes. Alam nyo, you can eat this with rice, or you can eat this with bread. Then you can really bite into the crab meat. Malasa mo talaga. Hop. Hi, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma at Home. Siguro nagtataka kayo, ganitong buwan na tayo ngayon. Meron pa tayong Christmas sa likod. Yan talaga. Si Lucy, maaga ang Christmas niyan. September pa lang, nagtatayo na kami ng Christmas tree. Tapos late din kami natatapos. Sometimes March na, meron pa kami Christmas tree sa bahay. So mahaba, yun talaga yung mahaba ang Christmas namin dito sa Gomez residence. No? So, hello again. And welcome to Goma at Home and to Lucy. To Lucy, Merry Christmas. No? Tapos na ang Chinese New Year, Christmas pa rin dito. Okay, so today, we are preparing crab cakes. Dito sa Philippines, bihirang-bihira kang makita na, yung katulad sa ibang bansa, may nabibili ka na prepared na crab cakes na sa plastic, na sa mga tumblers. Pero dito, you really have to prepare your own, especially in the province, in Ormoc. So ito, bumili ako ng crabs kanina sa market, pinaboil ko, and then pinaseparate ko yung meat. So now, what we will do is, lagyan natin yung condiments natin, First, we'll get mayonnaise, Ito, mayonnaise, and tansyan nyo, ako lalagay ko side by side para natatansya ko kung gaano karami ilalagay ko na ingredients, And then we'll put in some mustard, yun, a little mustard, to make it tangy. And then we're going to put in some garlic powder, about a tablespoon of garlic powder for this kasi maraming crab cakes, maraming crab meat eh. About a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then lalagyan na siya ng lemon. Okay, so what you can do is ganyan nyo muna, roll yung lemon para medyo dumambot na siya, tapos para lahat ng juice niya malabas. Okay, there. Nice. Okay, there you go. We'll use the pulp. Sayang eh. Sarap kaya yan. Good. Use all of that. Nice. Good. Nice. And then put in some herbs. If you have parsley, if you have dill, if you have chives, ganito, or young onions, and so chop some. So we'll chop some onion. Kakati siya in half. So fold ko pala siya in half. Ganito. Kita siya, hindi. Sarap! Pero yung dill, masarap yung dill din dito. And I also have parsley. Yun, lagyan na ito. Put it here. Yeah, nice. Aside from giving it flavor, it gives you good color. Ito, parsley naman to. Okay, and then I will put in some pepper. Yeah. Pepper, I want lots of pepper. And para may konting heat. Aside from the flavor of pepper, meron siyang konting heat. Nice. Beautiful. Good. Put it there. Okay. Sasaw natin ito. We'll put in some paprika. Give it an earthy flavor and a little, oops, laki nun ah. A little reddish color. Good. Yeah. Okay. What else? Check, double check. Konting Worcestershire sauce for taste, A little salt. Just a little salt. Yeah. And of course, eggs and panko. Itong eggs and panko, ito yung binder natin sa crab cakes natin. Okay. Oh, 1, 2. Yan, 2 eggs lang. Okay. And then mix na muna natin ito. Mix together. Nice. Yun. Yun. So, make sure na yung mga powder natin na nilagay, yung paprika, yung garlic powder, yung salt, mixed well na siya ganyan. Okay? So, that amount of mixture natin, lalagyan natin itong crab natin, tsaka yung panko. So, the panko will be there. No? Not too much, konti lang. It's about a quarter of a cup. Pambindo lang natin din ito. Itong crab meat natin. Okay, there you go. And mix it well. Yun. Huwag nyo lang dudurugin. Kasi masarap ito pag kinainaw na may texture siya. Yan o. Nice, yan o. Yan lang. Sarap nito. Oh. Alam mo to, lalagyan ko ito ng crush yung pepper flakes. Give it a little heat. Yun. Sus. Sarap. Yes. Spread it over. Yan. Okay. So, mix na natin siya na mabuti. Yan. Next is, we'll heat our pan using Doña Elena pure olive oil. So, we'll be using Doña Elena pure olive oil. Nice. Yan lang. Okay, so while we're heating that, lagyan natin, gawin tayo ng pancakes natin. Dito ko sila lagay kasi babagsak sila dun sa ating sa frying pan mamaya. Ganyan. Yan. Okay. Good. Pag mainit na siya, babagsak ko siya doon. So, do this one. One. Nice. Yan, we'll do this 2 at a time. Yan. We'll cook it more 3 minutes on the side. And then make sure lang na lutong-luto yung loob niya kasi meron tayong raw egg sa loob, no? But you have to be very careful kasi remember, konti lang yung panko niya tapos yung eggs natin. So, it's going to be very, very delicate when you turn it over. You know, very delicate siya. Oh. Okay. Nice. So while we're doing that, nagawa tayo ng sauce niya. Okay. Ito yung Trinity, oh. You know, mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. Our sauce. Sa crab cake natin mamaya, pag-serve natin, ilalagay natin dun sa na sauce niya. Good. Yan, dito ka muna. Done. Oh. Very delicate, oh. Delicates. Don't break, don't break. Don't break. Kaya ko siya binibase para maluto yung loob ng gusto, para magdikit ng gusto, para magbuo yun, no? yung mag-bind ng gusto yung sa eggs at saka yung panko. See, it's very delicate. But it's good that it's this delicate kasi pag nilagyan mo siya ng maraming panko bread, parang mo siyang tinapay. So, ito yung give and take ng pagluto nito. If you don't put too much panko, medyo delicate lang siya. But it's mas masarap siya ng ganito. Hindi siya lasang tinapay. Alright. Cook 2 more. Put a little more oil. Okay. Kung maghiwalay. Ayan. Okay, don't make it too hot. Para hindi siya umitim. Ayan. So we're almost done. Ayan na. Base ko pa ng konti. Para yung loob niya talagang lutong-luto siya. Ayan, eh. Kasi makapal yung ginawa natin, eh. Nice. Good. Good. Go. Nice. Up. Out. And here's our crab cakes. Let's try this. Okay. You know, hindi mo kobi sauce sa ilalim. Tapos yung burnt edges niya, crunchy, sarap. Then you can really bite into the crab meat, malasam talaga. Sarap. And yung tang ng tangy flavor of the mustard. Tapos yung lemon, sarap. Alam nyo, you can eat this with rice, or you can eat this with bread. Tapos iba naman, kunyari, may time talaga kayo, pagkahimay nyo dun sa crab, ilagay nyo sa loob ng crab shells, no? Doon nyo prito sa crab shells para maganda yung presentation nyo. Hindi na crab cake na sa kanya. Relleno na siya relleno ng alimango. No? Pareho lang yun. Pareho lang siya, nagkaiba lang ng presentation. So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at Home. Please like, share, and subscribe, no? Press the notification bell para alam nyo kapag meron tayong bagong episode na palabas. Isa sa mga medyo madaling lutuin, no? Hindi siya kadalian, pero it needs a little care. Pagprito niya kasi very delicate yung texture niya. But once it's done, pag kinain siya, ang sarap talaga niyang kainin. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I hope to see you next time right here in Goma at Home. I'm Richard Gomez. Goodbye for now. Nakalimutan ko sabihin, do this in your kitchen, share with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. Bye.